Hey, I'm Dr. John, but you can just call me John. A lot of patients say to me, hey, I got this bump on the back of my neck. How do I get rid of it? And this bump right here, totally normal. Let me tell you what it is, and then I'm going to tell you two things that might be making it look a lot bigger than it actually should be. So let's consult our spinal model here that we like to call pelvis Presley on this channel. So the neck has 7 bones, and those bones are smaller than the rest of the spine because the neck needs to be lightweight and mobile. So when we go from our neck to our upper back, there's a drastic change and it's just a lot bigger. These bones are a lot bigger. Now the spinal model doesn't show that perfectly. They're almost the same size, but that is because it's just not perfect. It's not a perfect model. We love you, Pelvis Presley. Anyways, the bone's a lot bigger and so it sticks out more. So if you just reach behind your back right now, you can touch a bone that's bigger, and that is your T1 vertebra, most likely. Some people it's their C7, but that's your first thoracic vertebra, and totally normal. What might be making it bigger? Poor posture. If you are hunching forward instead of having yourself be upright, if you're just hunching forward, your upper back vertebra and your neck vertebra, they're going to kind of hunch forward and really make it look a lot bigger. The other thing is fat. If you're overweight, your body might be running out of places to put it, and it might store it right up here on your upper back. Now I have a whole other video that covers different body types and why people store fat in certain places. You can check that out if you're interested. Otherwise, now you know. If you want to make that bump look smaller, improve your posture and lose some weight. I know, weight loss, that's a whole other topic for the video, but I do have other videos for posture. So check those out if you think your posture is not so great. We got different stretches and all kind of stuff here on the channel. As always, get the 6 aspects of health every single day: earth, air, fire, water, work, rest. Let's walk the path of health together. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.